We will show you how to use the Personal Hotspot feature on your iPhone running to share your internet connection with other devices. Step 1. Enable Personal Hotspot. First, let's enable the Personal Hotspot feature on your iPhone 13. You can follow this step. Open the Setting apps on your iPhone. Then you can tap on Cellular and then turn it on the switch. Then you can select Personal Hotspot here. And then make sure you already turn on Allow others to join. You can also check the Wi-Fi password that you already set. Or if you want to set it again, you can tap on this and you can change the password. After that, you can tap Done. Now your Personal Hotspot is already active and ready for other devices to connect. Now we're going to the step 2. Try to connect to another device. Next, let's try to connect another device to your iPhone Personal Hotspot. You can connect devices using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a USB cable. We will try to demonstrate the Wi-Fi method. On the device you want to connect, you can go to the Wi-Fi setting and then look for your iPhone names in the list of available network and tap on your iPhone name to connect. After that, you can enter the Wi-Fi password that you already set earlier on your iPhone when prompted. Your device should now be connected to your iPhone Personal Hotspot and you can start using the internet. Step 3. We back again to our iPhone. Monitor data usage. Keep in mind that using the Personal Hotspot feature can consume a significant amount of cellular data, especially if you are streaming video or downloading the large file. To monitor your data usage, you can follow this step. On your iPhone, you can tap on the setting and then tap on cellular. You can scroll down and at the cellular data section, you can see your data usage. Remember to disconnect devices from your Personal Hotspot when they're not in use to save on data consumption. And that's how you use the Personal Hotspot feature on your iPhone 13 running in iOS 16 to share your internet connection with other devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks and also tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!